Number 2 says 1.5 liters of 5% DW, which is dextrose and water, has been ordered. How many calories were given? So the 5% tells me the left-hand side of my proportion. So 5 grams over 100 ml. And then my order is for 1.5 liters. And I'm putting that on the bottom because it doesn't match exactly yet with mLs, but I can get it to match. So we either need to convert the 100 milliliters to liters or the 1.5 liters to milliliters. So if you convert the 100 milliliters to liters, then I would move my decimal place 3 places to the left, which would be 0.1 liters. Or I can convert the 1.5 liters to milliliters, and I would do that by moving it 3 places to the right. So that would be 1,500 milliliters. So either way is okay. Don't do both because then they would not match. But once they match, we can now solve the proportion. So it's going to be 5 times 1,500 divided by 100. And we get 75. So this is equal to 75 grams. But for the final answer, they just want how many calories. So I still need to multiply this by 4. And that will be 300 calories.